Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to be making my delicious Meat Lovers spaghetti squash casserole. It's topped with pepperoni and filled with sausage, ground beef, and cheese. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for spaghetti squash casserole. Okay, let's get started on this casserole. Since we're using spaghetti squash and they take forever to cook, I went ahead and microwaved them. I'm gonna say I microwave these for at least 20 minutes. And before I put them in the microwave, I poke them with a couple of holes just so they don't blow up. But you want it to be about 4 cups of spaghetti squash. And I've got 2 spaghetti squash here, so I just wanted to make sure I had enough. And I've already cooked some sausage, half a pound of sausage and half a pound of ground beef, and crumbled it, and I put it in my casserole dish. So now I'm just going to throw everything in this casserole dish and just stir it up with my tongs. We don't need any extra bowl or anything. And oh man, I just love this casserole so much. I literally could eat it every day of the week. It is so good. So here's all of our spaghetti squash. Put that away. Okay, now we can start putting the rest of the stuff in it. Okay, we want to make sure that our spaghetti squash is seasoned with some salt. You don't want bland spaghetti squash. And some pepper. Plenty of salt and pepper, and then we're going to also add in some marinara sauce, and this is Rao's marinara. This is my favorite. It's so tasty. It doesn't have any added sugar. And then we're going to add in 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to save the rest of this for the top. So now we can just stir all of this up with our tongs. Okay, we about got this all stirred up. Make sure we get all of the edges. Pat it off flat. It's a noisy casserole dish. Okay, now we can put the rest of our cheese on top. This casserole is so easy. The hardest part is getting the spaghetti squash cooked. And there's several methods for cooking spaghetti squash, and I have reasons that I like all of them. I like to do the Instant Pot, I like to roast it in the oven, and I like the microwave. So really it just depends on what mood I'm in. So now I'm gonna put some pepperoni on top, and I like a lot of pepperoni. So I'm gonna try, the recipe calls for 40 pepperonis because I'm crazy and I counted them the first time I made this. But I'm going to see how many I can fit because I like a lot. Okay, we've got the last of our pepperoni going on to the casserole. Had just enough. I might have snuck a few pieces. Just have just enough. Look at that. Okay, this is ready for the oven, and we are going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Okay, our spaghetti squash, Meat Lover spaghetti squash casserole is ready, and it looks amazing. So let me just get a spoonful and just show you how cheesy, and oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so good. I would put it on a plate, but I already did dishes, so I don't want to dirty up another plate. Guys, I hope you will try this recipe. It gets rave reviews. You're going to love it. You can go to the description and find the link, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for spaghetti squash casserole, and let me know how you like it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.